अच्छा डेट केते आजी रे डेट मने पड़ो ना डेट को so second year students पाठा पढ़िबा especially about the subjects on RDBMS Relational Database Management System लोनी ऊपर क्लास में जो एग्जांपल दी थी हम डिस्कस about the keys and I discussed about the common examples of relational database management systems. Out of these, what are the common database management systems are? One is the Statstorm, Foxbase. Then we are getting up to the Foxtrue, then Access, then what we go to your Ingress database management system, then goes to DB2, then goes to Oracle. These are common database management systems that are going to come in your future time. And last but not the least, we are going to learn our MySQL. So out of these application programs, these are all relational database management system application programs. These are used for the purpose of maintaining interrelated and interdependent data in form of tables. Before going up to this database management systems continues, before going up to long MySQL, we are discussing about MySQL. We are going to do which is one of the important factors that we have to remember. ये संसार में कौन सी जिनिस बिना मैथमेटिक्स से सृष्टि होगी मैथमेटिक्स नहीं लॉजिक नहीं कंप्यूटर साइंस नहीं इसलिए मतलब फास्ट कोर्स वो फास्ट ईयर पिला नहीं तो कहीं कारण होगा दिस कंप्यूटर साइंस इज नथिंग बट a combination of physics and math. Physics is the basic of one. Sir, how many parts of computer is divided into? One is this software and one is this hardware. This is software consisting of what? Logics. To develop them. What is the hardware consisting of? Electricity. And the movement of electricity from one location of the computer section to another. So 2 points I am discussing. Our computer science students will not to learn anything blindly. And the concepts of blindly particular. Because without logic, nothing is possible. Logic nahi, what is possible? So today I will discuss about the internal logics of relational database management system, and from here we are going to heading towards our database management system MySQL. So पिलाने में पाठों को आरंभ करिबा on mathematics section. आगे बढ़ते ये विस्तृत हम लोग पूरे चैप्टर में पढ़ेगा how the internal structure of computers move from one part of the CPU to another, how the electricity flow through sockets. यहाँ पे आने को टेबल का algebra पढ़ेगा, and that algebra is called but algebra. कितने पिलाने को तो पढ़ेगा what is the basic meanings of this algebra? Algebra means what? And how many types of algebra there are learning? What science students? We again, what are the different types of algebra we are learning? You are learning what type of algebra that is called calculation on numbers, plus, minus, into, and division on decimal numbers. Second type of algebra we are going to on is on algebra of binary numbers, which are known as Boolean algebra. Today I am going to introduce another logic of mathematics on computer science, that is algebra part number 3, or algebra on relations. Algebra on relations. Relations means what? In relational algebra you are understanding that this relational management system is nothing but a concept based on relations. What is relation? A relation is nothing but one or set of tables. So for the purpose of manipulating tables, for the purpose of manipulating relations, we have to learn one type of calculations, one type of cross minus into division. So cross minus into division on decimal numbers, general algebra of 0 and 1 on Boolean 0 and 1 and Boolean numbers. The algebra cross minus into division of 0 and 1 is called Boolean algebra. We are going to learn in the third unit of computer science. So today I will discuss another part in the second section on algebra on relation. Algebra on relation. So relation means what? Tables. Table of algebra. Table of implementation of algebra on relation. And I am calling it as relational algebra. Second students be a because of this algebra most of so because the previous question starts in this following order. Because of question on general file and advanced file difference. The next topic is this one. Algebra divided into three parts. One is general decimal numbers, cross minus divisions, implementation of algebra. Again, I am on algebra already 0 and 1s and implementation of cross minus division of 0 and 1. Today, I am discussing about another part of algebra called relational algebra. At here, I am also implementing plus minus division or something like that on my relation. 11 algebraic part of discussion kariya pura don't देखिए आपने पास algebra is done. Don't think about notes. Notes will be supplied on the WhatsApp. WhatsApp note देंगे. Understand the concept बुझो. Note पे based on the note में करेंगे देवी होते हैं बात बुझो तो note आपको है वाई चेक करेंगे. Algebra consisting of half parts. One part consisting of your operator. O-P-E-R-A-X-N-D-S and second part is called by operator. First part is operand, second part is operator. Take the example of operands and operator in these different types of algebra that we are going to learn. General algebra that you are learning. General algebra. Sir, in general algebra, which are the operands and which are the operators? Operands are 0 to 9. And what are the operators? Plus, minus, into, and into. And what are the another part of operator we are going to calculate on is modulus. Sir, what is the second type of algebra we are learning? On the Boolean algebra. B-O-L-E-N. Boolean algebra. Sir, what are the operands? 0 and 1. Sir, what are the operators? Plus, minus, into, and into. So today we are going to learn the third part of algebra is called by relational algebra. What is called? Relational algebra. So what is the operands in relational algebra? Relations. Remember, operand is relation, and operators are what are the different types of operators? So question mark starts from here. What is the question? Remember this. Algebra we are going to learn what type of algebra we are going to learn relational algebra. So relational algebra we are going to learn algebra में कितना पार्ट होची दिया पार्ट ओके ऑपरेंड्स पार्ट ओके ऑपरेटर पार्ट सो ऑपरेंड्स आपण लगा गले ऑपरेंड्स में को किती को algebra को ऑपरेंड होले जनरल algebra consisting of operands 0 9 Boolean algebra consisting of 0 1 relational algebra consisting of relations operators. The operators. Question happens on operators. Operators, relational algebra, class minus algebra. Sir, what is the operand and operators algebra? Operands plus operators build what expressions. Now, solve the what is this? Again, go to the previous. Operands is the data, and it is called my processing part. It is called my information part. And again go to this one. Data stands for input. Processing is input. It is called my processing. It is called my input. Sir, I will solve every part of computer science is basing upon computers' internal structures. And the internal structure of computers rely on the three concepts: input, processing, and output. Input, processing, and output. Every task that I'm going to discuss, every task that is going to discuss in computer science, everything is related to input, processing, and output because it is the default behavior of my electronic device. Such. What I am going to learn now? What I am going to learn now? What I am going to learn now? Operators on relational algebra. Heading. Operators on relational algebra. Code को पढ़ेंगी before going up to learn about relational database management systems. The database management systems are nothing but consisting of one or set of relations. These relations are nothing but one or set of tables. Not is one. What is this one or set of table consisting of? One or set of interrelated and interdependent data. And inside which you have to make any sort of manipulation on this one. Go after this next concept, and we are going to learn what operators on relational algebra. समझ खाता हेडिंग दे दो बोले हेडिंग दियोनी बुझ खाली पाठ मुझे पढ़ेबी आपको नोट पाठ रे पहुंचे देबी नोट रे आपन पाठ पहुंचबो पर किछि बेस्ट होता है नहीं. So discussing about operators in relational algebra. Operators in relational. Sir, how many types of parts of algebra there are? Two types. One is basic operators. One is extended operators. One is basic operator. One is extended operator. Extended. Sir, what is this? Divided into my choice. These operators in relational algebra are basically divided into two parts. One is basic operator, one is extended operator. Sir, what is the work of operators? Operators used on operands to produce expressions. Means input, processing, and output. So go after this operators types. हमने बहुत बड़ा ऑपरेटर को पढ़े छी कोई छोटिया कॉन्सेप्ट को कहिबी ये मने पके देबी जो पठा को पढ़ी सारी छी. Operators is how many types? The operators are basically divided into computer science into three parts. Operators are of three types. What are those? One is called unary, one is called binary, and one is called ternary. One is unary operator, one is binary operator, and one is ternary operator. Sir, what is unary operator? What is binary operator? What is ternary operator? Before learning of this one, कितने कॉन्सेप्ट आपको पता है तो सुविधा हो. Unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator, on what are those? These operators are nothing. Those are used with operands to build expressions. Means operators are my processing part. Those are implemented on data, which is nothing but my operands, and produced what information. Ago बढ़ेगा. What is this unary operator? Unary means what? Two. Binary means what? One. Binary means what? Two. Ternary means what? Three. So how many operands have been used in unary operator? One operator. How many operands have been used in binary? Two operators. How many operands have been used in ternary operator? Three operators. So one operand, one operator. Operator used with the left side of operands or right side of operands are called unary. Operators that takes operands on both sides, left or right, is called binary. When three operands taken two operators into them, we are going to answer. Ternary operator. Same concept, sir. Operators have three characteristics mainly, and these are also operators in relational algebra are two types, one is basic and one is extended. And this basic operator has also two characteristics. One is unary operator and one is binary. One is operator unary, UNARY. One is operator. One is unary operator and one is binary operator. One is unary operator, one is binary operator. Sir, what are the unary operators? First operator I am going to discuss on this one is called my part. It is coming on my unary operators. Second unary operator that I am going to use is called my selection, and we are calling them as the same one. The third operator, unary operator, we are using as rename. What are the binary operators we are discussing? Binary operators means the unary operator in the relational algebra used with relations in a unary section means these operators takes always take one relation, one table, either in the right or in the left, either in the left or in the right. Remember one thing. Sir, what is this one? What is this symbol is identified as? Projection. What is this symbol is identified as? Projection. What is this symbol is identified as? Selection. What is this symbol is identified as? Rename. Right. Three basic operators, those are treated as unary operator in relational algebra, are known as projection, selection, and rename. I will discuss every part of this because it is 100% sure that this year a question is going to come on this relational algebra. And I want to make one thing clear for every student that whenever you will go after this forming a new career in higher career in database management system, integral part, database management system open the materials of the important part every person must have to understand. बहुत कम लोगों को ये आगे थी बहुत कम लोगों को ये कुछ होती है. So go after my binary operators. Binary operators in relational algebra. Binary operators in relational algebra. Binary operators in relational algebra. The operator that takes two operands on both the sides. Two operands, one in the left and one in the right. One in the left and one in the right. So two operands, one operator. Take one the binary operator. So what are the binary operator symbols? One is union. One is intersect. One is union. One is intersect. One is union. One is one is cross join cross. One is union. One is cross. One is minus. So what are the symbols identified? One is union. One is Cartesian products. It is called my Cartesian products, and it is called my minus. Sir, these are the basic operators we are going to implement. We are going to implement on RDBs, in RDBs, on tables, on relations. Sir, what are the extended operators we are calling? Extended operator we are calling. Extended operator. What are the extended operators? The extended operator divided into three parts. One is called my join. One is called my join. One is called my division operator. One is called my join. One is called my division operator, and one is called my intersection operator minus. One is called my intersection operator. Intersection operator. And we are going to symbols. We are using different symbols for this. It is called my minus. Intersection operator is called my minus. It is called my division operator. Division or minus. And whatever the joining conditions are giving to the inner outer on chapter concept what are the things that is discussed in the past section. There are going to second part. There are going to third part. Relational algebra for relay upon relational management system relational database management system is what whenever we are going to use one or set of table consisting of interrelated and interdependent data and creates relation among themselves. This is the purpose, and manipulate them. This is the purpose which we are creating RDBMS by using RDBMS relation management system. So before going up to this operator देखिए ये हमारे कहाँ ऊपर implement करने के लिए they are going to implement on relations. हमारे relation पर implement करने वाला relation means on table. So I have to remember this. What is this relational algebra is? Second question is लिखने समझते. What is this second question? Before going up to the simple operator बना दो. 1 2 3 4 5 selection rename operators. लिखी जाएगी आपको हमारे कहाँ ऊपर implement करने के लिए कहाँ ऊपर implementation है में टेबल ऊपर implementation है को टेबल ऊपर implementation है जो टेबल रे एकाधिक रो वन कलम थी से कलम रे कौन थिबो बहुत परिमाण रे परस्पर संपर्कित corresponding networks का काम करो. So we have to go to my next section where before going up to this discussion on this projection, selection, rename, union, partition products, minus, join, division, and etc. I have to know. I must have to know that what is this relational algebra and what is it. What is this relational algebra? A algebra based on relations. A algebra based on tables in RDBMS is a relational algebra calling is a query language. Relational algebra is a query language which is procedural oriented. Which is procedural oriented in nature that takes a relation that takes a relation as input and generates a relation called output. ମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ ସେଇ ସମୟ प्रत्येक जिनिस कंप्यूटर साइंस रे आपण भिडी की इनपुट प्रोसेसिंग आउटपुट को करू जे परंत इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसिंग कोन जे समास हे पर आपण पाठ बुझसे दिली आपला एवरी पार्ट जो कोन आपण पढे जे मते कोन को पार्ट रे आपण प्रत्येक पार्ट को इनपुट प्रोसेसिंग आउटपुट रे जोड़ी एवरी पार्ट आपण इनपुट आउटपुट प्रोसेसिंग आसीगो एंड टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट रिलेशनल algebra. So relational algebra is a query language. So language which are आपण मन जान we are discussing about the language concepts. Now we got a proposal syntax which is language language divided into it is called what sequential orientation computer language, procedural orientation computer language, structural orientation computer language, object orientation computer language, and it is a task orientation computer language. Sir, what type of language or which part of this language is going on this procedural query language is going on is the task oriented computer. Task oriented computer language रे वाला नाम relational. What is a task oriented computer language? What is task oriented computer language? The computer language which is used by the user to perform any work in computer by giving the commands, by giving the instruction similar to the languages used by normal human beings. ओडिया रे साधारण मनुष्य व्यवहार करुवा भाषा जदि कोनोसी कंप्यूटर को बुझे देबा को सुविधा करा जाय थाए एटा कहा द्वारा है ऑन टास्क ओरिएंटेड हुआ हम जनरेशन इज 1 2 3 4 It is called my fifth gen computer language. The fifth generation of computer language, task-oriented computer language, consisting of relational algebra, which is one type of procedural oriented. This become commonly. Is it 2 equal to what? 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what is this concept is? Any sequential orientation, some features go to procedure. It is some features go to structure. Some features different go to objects, or some features go to. So what is the common procedure? What is the common process? If I am talking 1, it is 1 and 2. It is 1, 2, 3. It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. What is the another part I calculate? 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus another 2. So what I am calling this as a procedural oriented programming language. A procedural oriented programming language is a relational algebra based on. Relational algebra is a procedural language. So what it is used for? Used for what? Coding. What is coding means? Search. What is coding means? Searching. A procedural oriented language. A procedural oriented coding language used for the purpose of searching data or manipulating data. Searching is one type of manipulation. Searching data from a relation, from a table, is used as relational algebra. But relational algebra is what this paper number relational algebra is a coding language which is procedural oriented, that takes, which is procedural pattern, that takes a relation as input and generates a relation as a called output. So what is the important one? This coding means what? Searching. Language is our text language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is coming under which part? The task oriented part. Task oriented is called what? Relational algebra. They consist of what? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 plus 2. This 5 is the additional features of relational algebra plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 5 is another thing. That is called so another 2 part is 2 is called in this 5. Panchama part nowadays you got 2 part in this watching. This is the things that we are going to discuss. I want to suppose theory part of it. Don't think about notes. Notes are something related. So next one of it is my definition of relational algebra. What is relational algebra? What is used? What is input? What is the output? I discuss about this. Second part, another thing I discuss characteristics of what are the common characteristics of relational algebra. This is the characteristics of relational algebra. So about my first part. It is relational algebra part 1 class. Second class I will be in the latter part of second part of second class will be available. So we are discussing about characteristics of relational. Before going up to RDBMS, अपना रिलेशनल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम आरडीबीएमएस रिलेशनल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम पढ़ियो नहीं इसलिए पढ़िबा पूर्व अपना देखो बेस अपना व्हिच कांसेप्ट एंड व्हिच मैथमेटिकल कांसेप्ट इज गोइंग टू इंप्लीमेंट दिस वन मु प्रत्येक पार्ट अपन डिस्कशन करिनी इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स ऑन वन और मोर टेबल फर्स्ट पॉइंट इट ऑलवेज वर्क्स on one or more table. Point number 2. What are the point number 2 ever do? It will always produce another relation. One or more table means what? One or more table means what? One or more relation. And remember one thing, it will always produce a relation. It will always produce it is always produced relation. Characteristic number 1, characteristic number 2, characteristic number 3. The new table produced by relational algebra has all the properties. The new table, the point number 2. The new table of a new relation produced by Boolean relational algebra must contain all the characteristics of the base relation or relational. Sir, look at this characteristic that we are going to discuss. Characteristic number 1, characteristic number 2, characteristic number 3 आपण देखो को बाटे आपण बुझी पारनांती को बाटे जानि पारनांती को बाटे बुझी पारनांती कोन से प्रॉब्लम होची. Sir, it always works on one or more tables relation. Sir, it always produces a relation. The relation two means it always produces a relation. The relation two means what? Relation. The new relation produced by relational algebra must contain all the characteristics of the base relation. It is part of the It is part of discussion relational algebra part 1. The second part is आपको relational algebra part 2 पढ़ेगी. या पर अपन बात होगी ना adequate concept 2. फिर प्रथम पार्ट बुझो कर नोट पे व्यस्त होतो नाही. नोट आपण देगी प्रत्येक पार्ट नोट आपण काय पहुंचो. नोट इज प्रॉब्लेम नाही. Today first work on the concepts, then we are going to discuss about the. Okay, forward for the notes. Thank you all.